Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing. So this is the CASIO ECB-900DB. It's a smartphone link model along with solar capability. So let's open this one. Okay. The packet sent by ASIO is really sturdy. There is one receipt what we get. Yeah, so total cost of 14,825 and I got it for approximately 13,800 because I used gift coupons from Woohoo to pay for the watch. Let's get into the box. They have taken their time to thoroughly pack this, and this is how the Edifice range is also shipped. So 923 EX499, that is the model number. Okay, tag is also there. So this is the 5582 operating instructions, FCC, and other paperwork. What is this? Edifice connected. This is the app which is supposed to be used. What is this one? Watch stops does not operate normally. This is the warranty card, and we get, I don't know what do you call this. I used to have this on my NV-G10 VCR eons back. Okay, this is a 2-year warranty card. Register and get extra 6 months free. Okay, and this is the watch tag itself. Nice. With Seiko watches, the quality which you get for the price, with Casio watches, the quality which you get for the price is unbeatable. So this is the watch below. So Bluetooth world time 300 cities. This is the watch tag, super illuminator. Pretty thick compared to the Edifice Slim range. This is a chunky monster. Tuesday 19th of March. Okay, so this is the total unboxing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Let me set this up with the Edifice connected app. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.